Hi guys, it's Angela with Cali Mom Collects, and I am continuing on from our last lot from Shop Goodwill. This was a 10-pound lot, and I am going to do part 2. The first part was okay. We got some Brighton pieces and a little sterling silver and lots of fashion jewelry. But hopefully we've got some good stuff in this second part of it. A lot of craft and fashion in the first. All right, this is a little hold your badge or keys or whatever you want to hold. I am seeing some fading on the jump ring. Piece to something. Could already see lots of fading on this piece. It's all tangled. It's all faded and tangled, but that's going to go into craft. That looks interesting. Is a stone. Let me look at the bail on this. I thought I saw something. No, but it's a cute stone pendant. I do think I see some fading up there, so I don't think it's gold, but it's pretty. We have an Effie. Looks like a little freebie. Somebody bought something, they got a little free necklace. Monterey Bay turtle necklace. Sea gems, electroplate finish that will not tarnish. Lifetime guarantee. Monterey Bay. That's a cute turtle necklace. I'm going to look at this closely. Nope. Still a little cheapy broken necklace. I think this is just a fashion piece. See if I come across I wonder if that was on there. Do you think? No, I don't think so. Well, there's a pendant, there's a necklace. Hopefully I find the match to both. A lot of fading on this one. A lot of little charms that will be good for repurposing. Okay, that says something right there. BICO. It looks like stainless steel to me, but BICO. I'll have to look that up. Interesting. This is also interesting. Has a vintage mixed metal. I'm seeing some like wearing there, but it has that look to it. Bear SF, which I've come across that brand before. I think that's San Francisco, Bear San Francisco. So kind of has that brutalist look to it. Brass, and that's kind of interesting, even with the wear. All right, this go into craft. This will go into craft. It's just a little cheapy dog tag. This broke off of something. This looks cute if I can get this undone. A lot of these multi-strand, multi-layer necklaces are terrible to get undone. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, that was actually 2 necklaces intertwined together, both dainty. This one is just a little dainty gold tone with a little crystal down there at the bottom. This one did not have any marks. And this one is a double layer. Gold tone with a crystal and then a little bar pendant. No brands or marks on that one either. Ooh, we got some Michael Kors earrings. These are very, ooh, it's a little bent. Let's see if I can bend it back without breaking it. Yeah, it wasn't, it was just a little slight bend. These are in really good condition. They look new. Michael Kors, crystal studs, good condition. That's great. All right, there is a brand here. J. Crew. All right, let's look at the gold tone. Gold tone looks good. All the pieces look to be there. Looks to be in good condition. Oh, nope. We'll see if the bottom of this box there's a little pink stud, but that's a bummer. That was cute. Craft. Okay, this feels nice. This is glass. It's cold and heavy. Faceted beads. No marks though. Choker length. It's nice. It feels nice. Okay, it's tangled. This is a really long necklace with seed beads and acrylic. Yeah, okay. I'm not going to work too hard at this one. There's that. This is a fashion piece. These are light and acrylic. No brands. This looks like that origami owl. Inscriptions. Bella, what does that say? Okay, it does say origami owl on the necklace, and then this says something different. Let me look. Okay, it does say inscriptions by origami owl. This must just have been the line that this was. A little bit of fading I'm seeing on the back of this owl. It's cute. I'm seeing a cross in there. I'm seeing a 5-0. This must have been for somebody's 50th birthday. Camera and a birthday cake. Yes. And what does that say at the back? Forever Family. This is really cute. Origami owl. I don't think I've ever sold origami owl, so I don't know if it even sells good or not. Fashion bracelet, a little bit of fading there. Faux pearls, rhinestones, and silver tone. We've got more of this. Sometimes they get a little kinked and out of whack. Shell chips. What is this big thing? This is heavy. It looks and feels like stainless steel. Oh, it's the same brand as before. BICO. What does that say? Let me look a little closer. This chain is really heavy. Australia. So this is an Australia, a designer from Australia. This looks like it could be for men or women. I will look that brand up, but it feels heavy and nice. Does not feel cheap, that is for sure. We've got rhinestones and faux pearls. They're all there. This is a fashion necklace with purple acrylic pieces. Good condition on it. We have a little bottle cap fashion piece. What is this pretty thing? I think it's a choker. It is definitely a choker. No marks, no brands, really pretty blue AB crystals. Kind of like a stainless steel tone. You know, that's finished a little funky. I don't know. Pendant went awry. All right. It is a fashion piece. I can see that the dye on this stone here is coming off. It's got good pieces here, so this will probably be a piece that I put into craft. Yeah. A maroon choker necklace, craft. Okay, it looks like there was a safety chain on this one at some point. I'm not seeing any brands, and the inside here looks more like a stainless steel to me. Whoa, it is not silver. It's not even stainless steel, because stainless steel is not magnetic either. That's a cute little fashion. Feels hollow. Fashion bracelet. Okay, this is a rosary. This is a unique one in these big wood beads. It's a long one. Long wooden rosary. What does that say? It says Italy. Italy at the bottom. This is a really long one. Very unique. I like that. Ooh, what is this? It says something. It says 925. Looks like CZ's in 925. It's a little too yellow to be citrine. I will check it and let you guys know, but my thoughts are that's CZ's. Let's see what size. It's very cute. About a 7.5. Look at the setting there. Oops. I like it. It's a chunky one. Okay, got a little bit more silver in here. Silver always makes the bag better. The bagger box. I love getting silver. I love silver jewelry. Okay, this is a bit of a mess. Well, gold jewelry as well, but silver for sure. Okay, this is a fashion necklace. It's missing one of the jump rings here, so this will go into a craft lot. Yep. This is really pretty. Has that brushed gold, little hair. A red stone. It's a little bit kinked. There is a brand on here. Kiam family, K-I-A-M family. Okay, this feels nice. It looks nice, it feels nice. And it's in good condition too. Kind of like a deep brick red on that. And then little rhinestones. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, looks like we've got looks like turquoise, tiger's eye, and amber. Whether it's real or not, I don't know, but that's what it looks like. Or it could be agate. You know, it just doesn't feel... The tiger's eye feels real. It's cold, and I know this is not agate because it's not cold. The turquoise doesn't feel real to me either. I think this is a fashion piece with tiger's eye pieces. I do believe those are real. They feel real to me. I would think if this was done in sterling silver that maybe it was turquoise and amber, but it's not. I think this is just a fashion piece. It's still nice. It's still nice. What is this? All right, I think this is dyed howlite cross. The cord is not good, but that pendant can be taken off and put on a different chain. Here we have this box. this looks like the Avon box. Yeah, this is Avon, and it looks like we have a little necklace, bracelet, and earring set. Faux pearl. Okay. Looks like we have a Timex watch. It looks to be in really good condition. I'm not seeing any wear. It says stainless steel there. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, Timex watch. Looks almost new. Okay, the cord on this is not good. The leather cord here. Across. This is an old Leah Sophia piece, not in good condition. I do think that this cross can be put on another chain though. We have a pendant. We have an infinity mom necklace. It looks to just be a fashion piece. Gold tone is in good condition. We have this almost, it looks like an old payphone box. This says Disney. So I have a little Disney necklace. Does anybody know what movie this came from? Uh-oh. Multi-layer necklaces always get tangled in the box, but looks like we have some dyed howlite and silver beads. The silver tone looks to be in good condition. Almost has that southwestern look. It's really tangled up though. No brands. We have a pendant. See some fading on it. I don't think that it's... Well, that butterfly is pretty. I do see right off the bat we're missing a couple of the rhinestones there. This flower crystal right here is gorgeous though. It's a bummer. And another pendant. A lot of pendants. We've got some tassels, we've got some chips, what looks like stone. This is a long one. And the chain is weird. It kind of feels like bendable. It's a fashion piece. Fashion piece with some stone pieces down there. Interesting. We got a Christmas bell. We have a cute rhinestone elephant from Windsor. Brand new. Wasn't much to begin with. It was only $8.90 to begin with, but she's cute. And then We've got this long one, fashion necklace with a dyed howlite down here at the bottom. Yeah. The gold tone on this is really brilliant. It's bright and brilliant. I love all the little, I like the clasp. No brands, but this is nice. It feels nice. And all these little gold things really can't catch the light. Cute. We've got another older Leah Sophia necklace. One of these pendants probably were on that. Or that one. Actually, I think it was that one. But the chain is not doing good. All right, we're getting there. We're getting close to being done. This is Olympic Main Stadium, Seoul, Korea. Looks like a little souvenir from the Olympics. Little simple black glass bead from 1928. Those little dangles didn't want to fall right for me, but there they are. Okay, we've got a hook clasp there. It's short, and I don't know what to think of it. Little plastic pieces and rhinestones. Cute little cross. It's plastic. A lot of fashion jewelry in this bag. Little black pendant here, no brands. Silver tone is good. Okay, we have a little necklace and bracelet set. I don't know if this might be something somebody made. Just the way it's finished makes me think that. It's cute. Black and red and the key matching bracelet. Well, this is in really good condition. The gold tone, and there's 3 different tones. We've got the silver heart, the little rose gold heart, and then the gold heart. Then the chain, really good condition. I don't see any brands on it. It's cute, dainty. All right, we have an elephant. It's a long necklace, and it says luck right here. I don't see any brands. There's the elephant. Looks to be in good condition. Icing. So we just got a simple icing rhinestone pendant. This says be happy, and I think this is just like a purse or a bag charm or some sort. Would hang on your bag. A long silver tone necklace. And you could either wear the pendant on the hematite side or the gold sparkle side. And this is a loft piece. Good condition. Good condition on this one. Oh, the chain looked good for a second, kind of got me a little excited, but up here I see a lot of that coppery color coming through. So this is just a fashion piece, but it's very, very short. I don't even think this is long enough to be a choker. I don't know. That one was an odd size. This is genuine lucite. So all these little charms must be lucite. Made in China. We've got Leah, Sophia. Cute pendant. Wait, is that one of those? No. It almost looked open back there where you can put in like the essential oils, but I don't think it opens. It's cute. This was the bag of fashion jewelry. This looks also kind of like a piece that you would get at a souvenir shop, but something like my son would have liked a long time ago. It looks cool for a boy. Okay, this is chunky. Well, I thought that would open, but maybe it doesn't want to. There we go. This is a big one of those. Cute little flower, memory wire, and little cat's eye beads and glass beads. All right, trying to hurry. We're getting down. We are getting down to the end. It looks like there was a hang tag at one point, but it's not there anymore. We've got acrylic pieces. Looks kind of cool though, the pieces on this. Okay. Pendant with an N. Smitten. Looks like little claws, red beads. Another souvenir necklace. Looks like wood beads. And then we will be down to earrings. All right, this is the last one. Then we've got our earrings. Got another icings piece. Oh wait, no, this is two. All right, the top part here would be the choker, and then this part here would hang right down the middle. Fancy, fancy. And this is just a little rhinestone choker. All right, so here's all of our earrings. Not as much as we've been having. I'm gonna pause the video, make matches, and end the video. Okay, most of the earrings had matches. These were our single earrings, and let's go through the earrings. I'm gonna show them quickly, and then I'll put on this screen whether they tested as silver or, there's a couple in here that look like they might even be gold. Okay, we just got little light acrylic earrings. These feel like acrylic, but they're nicer lever back earrings. These also are a lot on the light side. Little red stars, fashion stars. Little light silver stars. The hooks don't look to be in the best condition. These are light, but they're cute feathers with the copper backing. This copper doesn't look to be like real copper to me. It could be, but it's awfully shiny. And awfully shiny and light. Those feel fashion. Could be wrong. These look unique. These almost look like somebody replaced the hooks on these, because the hooks are silver and the bottom part of the earrings are gold. So those hooks might have been replaced. Cute shells. Heart flags, those are cute. These look vintage to me. They look like little ties, little gold. And it's that bendy. Those are cool, I like those. Little gold, maybe a little bit of fading and a little light on those. Same with these, a little on the light side, and it looks like some fading. These look interesting. These look like they might be gold hooks, and we've got little rice pearls. Let me see. Sounds like glass. Those look like they might possibly be gold. I'll let you guys know on the screen. These look nice. Nice gold hooks. Glass. Look at the caps on that one. Don't look at my fingernails. I'm in a bad transition, fingernail transition. They're all broken and bad. These feel nice. Gold possibly. I will check. And then the last ones are these little. All right, guys, I'm going to actually just end the video and do the giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. The 2 parts from the shop Goodwill, all in all, was mostly fashion jewelry with a couple really good pieces in there, but not as good as the prior boxes, but that's okay. They can't all be amazing, and I'm very much aware of that. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you for being here, and until next time, bye. All right, here is our next giveaway. In this giveaway, I have a Coach wallet. This is a pre-owned wallet. I had gotten this out of a ThredUp designer purse box. And so it is one of those. It's a nice size gray Coach wallet. So the wallet is pre-owned, but the jewelry pieces that I chose to kind of go with it are new pieces with this enamel and rhinestone ring in a size 7. And you guys, a lot of you guys will have seen me open up some of these pieces along the way. This is a Nordstrom Crystal Collection bracelet. If I could get the box open. And it is a silver tone and little crystal charm bracelet. And scroll and vine little earrings. All right. So if you would like to be a part of this Coach and jewelry themed giveaway, comment on this video that you would like to be a part of it, and I will draw a winner. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.